Hello guys, in this video we will see how to fix the error in Red Dead Redemption. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step of verify game files integrity, content. This step focuses on ensuring all game files are correctly installed and undamaged for Steam users access. The game's properties, navigate to the Local Files tab and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will scan your installation and automatically replace any corrupted or missing files. For Rockstar Games launcher users, locate the game within your library, access its settings, and look for a similar option often labeled Verify or Scan and Repair. Allow the process to complete fully before proceeding to the next step.
Step: update graphics drivers. Content outdated or corrupted graphics drivers are a common cause of the error. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA and/or Intel, and download the latest drivers specifically designed for your graphics card model and operating system. Ensure you completely install your current drivers before installing the new ones using the manufacturer's provided uninstaller. After installation, restart your computer and launch Red Dead Redemption to check if the error persists.
Step: adjust game settings. Content lowering in-game graphical settings can alleviate stress on your system and potentially resolve the error. Begin by reducing settings such as shadows, anti-aliasing, texture quality, and draw distance. Experiment with different combinations to find a balance between visual fidelity and stability. Consider turning off advanced features like volumetric fog and ambient occlusion, as these are particularly demanding.
Step: check system requirements. Content: confirm your computer's hardware meets the minimum or recommended specifications. For Red Dead Redemption, insufficient RAM, a weak, poor, or an outdated graphics card can lead to various errors, including the error. Check the game's official system requirements on the Rockstar Games website and compare them to your computer's specifications. If your system falls significantly short upgrading your hardware might be necessary. Step: reinstall the game content. If all previous steps fail, reinstalling the game is the last resort. Before proceeding, ensure you have backed up any saved game data completely. Uninstall Red Dead Redemption from your system, then download and install the game afresh from your chosen platform, Steam, Rockstar Games launcher deck. This ensures a clean installation, eliminating any potential corrupted files that may have caused the error.